My dear students, now I am going to explain about 6th class social studies topic reading and making maps. Reading and making maps. Earlier, you heard about maps. Why we are using the maps? If we wanted to find out the new places, if you wanted to go somewhere else, if we wanted to find any kind of particular crop growing in that place where industries are located, where farmlands are located, such things we will get from the map, isn't it or not? Such a way maps are very useful to us, isn't it or not? Earlier you learned different kinds of maps. Previous class you learned about kinds of maps. Generally, how many kinds of maps we have? Three. What are they? Number one, physical map. Physical map. Two, political map. Three, thematic map. Historical map. Administrative maps. Such a way, we have different kinds of maps, isn't it or not? Earlier, I teached you regarding physical map, political map, thematic maps. In the previous classes, you learned these three kinds of maps: physical map, political map, thematic map. Afterwards, you are going to learn historical maps and administrative maps. You know very well regarding the physical maps. Physical maps explains about mountains, then you tell me hills, then plains, then plateaus. These information you will get from the physical map. Political map. Political maps gives you information regarding countries, districts, okay, capitals. In this information you will get from the political map. Thematic map. You wanted to learn particular things. By that time, thematic maps are very helpful. Particular crop, where it is growing, where particular industries are located. These information you will get from the thematic maps. Already you learned these kinds of maps. Now, in the 6th class, first lesson, what he given, district map. District map. District map comes under political map. In the political map, which items we will discuss? We discussed earlier, tell me, in the district map, what we discussed? In the political map, regarding countries, regarding their capitals, regarding districts, we discussed. Isn't it or not? Such a way, these political maps are very essential, very useful to us. Isn't it or not? District map. What happened? What given in your textbook regarding Laila? Regarding Mallika. Two names given, Laila and Mallika. These two girls met in Srikakulam. Where they met? They met in Srikakulam. Srikakulam is a district located in Andhra Pradesh. I am asking one general question. How many districts are located in Andhra Pradesh? Very good. How many districts we have? After bifurcation, we have 13 districts. Okay. Coastal Andhra contains 9 districts. Then Rayalaseema contains 4 districts. Do you understand? Then in Andhra Pradesh, which district is the largest district? Anybody know? Anantapuram. Anantapuram. Do you understand? Then smallest district is Srikakulam. Smallest district is Srikakulam. Most populous district in Andhra Pradesh, East Godavari. Lowest populated district in Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagaram. Okay, now these Laila and Mallika, where they met in Srikakulam, government organized. That means one social activities. Okay, organization conducted one meeting. Okay, conducted one service motto. Okay, Red Cross. They met in Red Cross service. Okay, organized activity. Then what happened? They made friends. Who? Laila and Mallika. Okay, where they met, Red Cross conducted one service kind of meeting in Srikakulam. They met in that place. Who? Laila and Mallika. Then Mallika, okay, invited Laila. If you have holidays, by that time I am inviting you to come to my district. Like that she invited. She accepted. Who accepted? Laila accepted. Then they dispersed from that place. Who? Laila and Mallika. A few days later, Laila written a letter to Mallika. Mallika, I am planning to come to Vijayanagaram. Okay, na? Mallika district, Vijayanagaram. I will come to Vijayanagaram. Okay, na? So send me your house details. Details in the sense where your house is located. Tell me the address of your house. Then immediately Mallika bit happy. Okay. Mallika sended one map. You come here, you may see the bus stop. She prepared one sketch. Then settlements. Here my house is located. Like that, one sketch she sent it to Laila. Okay. Then one day, Laila then reached Vijayanagaram. Okay, na? Who reached Vijayanagaram? Laila, by seeing that sketch. Then she got down in Vijayanagaram. Then what happened? Laila doesn't know the distance between actual place to reaching place. Then she walked along the streets. Along the road she walked. Then few hours later, Laila reached Mallika's home. Mallika amazed by seeing the Laila. Laila, I am exhausted, I am tired. Till now, I walked. You didn't mention the distance here. Okay, na? Next time, okay, na? Then you will mention the distance between your house to bus stand. Like that she told. Okay, next time if you plan to come my village, Venkatapuram. Venkatapuram, hire an auto, then get down in South Venkatapuram. Which Venkatapuram? South Venkatapuram. Okay, where South Venkatapuram is located, I will found like that. She asked. Who asked? Laila asked. Okay, you don't know the directions like that. Mallika. Okay, yeah. Replied to Laila. I will tell you directions. Listen carefully like that. Mallika told to Laila. Okay, Laila. See, Laila. Suppose if we are standing in front of sun, that is east. Generally, that is called as east. Okay. Opposite to east, that is west. Then north. Then south. Likewise, we are finding the directions. We are recognizing the directions. Suppose your face is in front of sun. Face east. In front of sun, that is east. By that time, your back, that is west. Do you understand? I think so. Suppose I am standing in front of sun. This is east side. Then my back, very good, west. Always my right hand showing south. Right, south. Left, north. Do you understand? I think so. These directions are very, very important. Always your right hand indicates which side? South side. Left hand indicates north side. Face exactly in front. Okay, face exactly in front of sun, that is east. Your back side, that is west. Everybody understood like that. Like that, Mallika explained to Laila. So, my village, Venkatapuram, located south side. South Venkatapuram. Next time, you don't, okay na, you do not walk. Take an auto, then come by an auto. Like that, she suggested. Mallika suggested, then Laila also, okay, I will come by auto. Then evening, what happened, they planned to watch village. Who Mallika wanted to show her village to Laila. Okay, then they are walking on the road. They crossed fields. Then they saw one bridge, beautiful bridge. That beautiful bridge contains 5 lamp posts. 6 lamp posts. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. How many lamp posts that bridge contains? 6 lamp posts. Okay. Then what happened? Laila keenly observed these lamp posts. After coming back to home, Laila taken one piece of paper and taken one scale. Then she drawn these lamp post distance on the paper. By that time, what she considered, between these lamp post to this lamp post, distance is 100 meters. 100 meters. Total from this area to this area, 500 meters distance is there. First lamp to last lamp, distance is 500 meters. How many lamp posts installed there? 6 lamp posts. Okay, she taken scale and drawn, okay, scale. She measured on the paper. Okay, now then she taken like this. 100 meters is equal to 1 centimeter. Like that, 500 meters is equal to 5 centimeters. Such a way she drawn. Suppose you take scale, in the scale, measurements are different. While drawing the map, Okay, now makers also they use different kinds of measurements. If you see, if you open maps on your textbook, definitely, surely he mentions the scale. How much? Okay, now how much scale he used? You clearly you will get it from your textbook. Scale also mentioned. Okay, now get it. I think so. Here 100 meters is equal to 1 centimeters. 500 meters is equal to 5 centimeters. Like that, she prepared the distance map. Who prepared? Laila prepared. Do you understand? I think so. Okay, na? So if you see the maps, north always showing top part of the paper, isn't it or not? Okay, na? So your right side, which direction is indicating? Very good. Right side, south. Left side, tell me, north. Your face exactly. Okay, your face is facing exactly towards sun. That is east. Your back side, west. Do you understand? I think so. Okay, na? Then regarding which district I explained here regarding Vijayanagaram, especially South Venkatapuram. Who reached South Venkatapuram? Yes, Laila. Okay. Generally, map makers